Hey, what's going on, guys? Danny here with you. In this video, we'll go over the latest price analysis for Shiba Inu. And as always, this video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. All right, so as you see today, we have been in a downward trend right here. In this morning's video and also the update video that I did earlier today, we were talking about if we did happen to break the 0.618 area and also this pennant line, our trend line right there, that we most likely would see another leg to the downside. And as you see, that did play out. We actually did come down and hit our 0.786 level right here. And we actually did wick a little bit below that. Around the 4609 area was the low right there. And it looks like we may have possibly formed yet another a descending broadening wedge, which generally, again, is a bullish sign. And as of this moment, it looks like we are breaking up to the upside right now. Let me get over to the hourly chart. All right, so this is a little similar to our last descending broadening wedge, as you see right here. We did break out bullish, and that it did act as a bullish reversal, and we went to the upside. So that's a little similar to what we're doing right here. Hopefully we do, again, play to the upside right there. This is a little bit smaller pattern, or actually a lot smaller pattern than this one that was over here. But generally, they are a bullish sign, a bullish trend reversal. And also, one more thing I do want to point out is this was our low right here. And this also could be, as we said earlier, this could be a descending triangle right here. But we did make this was our low right here, back here, which was the bottom of the trend line for descending triangle. And as of this moment, we have made a higher high. So that is a bullish sign as well. As long as we maintain higher highs throughout this whole way, then we should actually see a breakout again to the bullish side. But let's go back over here to our 15-minute chart. All right, and right now on our hourly chart, our doji candle, so of course you see this is pointing to the upside. We have about 2 hours, about 2 minutes left on this hourly candle. So we'll have to see how it closes. But if we close below this, then we may see another retest back down here, maybe hit our 0.6 and then hopefully get a bounce back up. But we'll see how this closes out in 2 minutes. But over here on our 15-minute chart, looks like our right now we're getting ready to close out. Our candle's getting ready to close out in another minute and 35 seconds. So hopefully we do close above this trend line right here. If we do, then that should be a bullish sign. Hopefully we'll get a bounce off here and head to the upside. All right, but I do want to point out some more short-term targets for us. I'm actually going to go over here and delete this Fibonacci level. All right, so let's draw a new one. So right now, this could be a new low right here that we set, our new swing low. So I'm gonna come over here to our swing high that we had and come down here to our swing low. We'll put the 0 mark right there on our swing low. All right, so some potential targets to watch out for. If we do continue to break to the bullish side, our next target would be up here. That is at the 0.382 level. That is around the 5340 area. Our 0.5 level will be around the 5571 area. And of course, our golden Fibonacci level, our golden pocket, would be around the 0.618. That is around the 5794 area. So that would be our bullish targets. And again, if we do break this long trend line right here, that is our big trend line on our pennant pattern and also our descending triangle. If we break that, that'll be a majorly bullish sign. But of course, it will take a couple hours for us to get back up here. And we'll see if we do get rejected off this line, and we'll see what happens and how it plays out. And also short term, if we do happen to break down more to the bear side, the next couple targets we'll want to look for would be, of course, that would be right here on our 0.618. That would be our line right here. That was on the previous Fibonacci that I did just delete. But we'd want to check out for this line right here. Hopefully come back down here and get a double bottom and hopefully go up to the upside after that. We'll see how that would play out though. But that would be our next level to take a look at right here, which is at the bottom of that trend right there, the bottom of our pattern. And also the line after that would be our descending triangle right here. Again, if we do break this, then that's a very bearish sign. We would probably see more action to the downside. And that next level would be the 0.27. And that is around the 40-47 area. The next level after that would be 0.618, which would be the 3360 area. And again, if we happen to break that, then we do have this trend line right here that we could take a look at. We'd hopefully bounce off that. But again, if we do break this trend line or descending triangle, that would be a very bearish pattern and would not look good for us. We'd have to reanalyze everything and see how this could play out. But let's go over here to our RSIs and see how we are looking. All right, so currently on our, let me go over to our 15-minute chart. All right, so right now we are starting a new candle. Right now we're at 13 minutes and 21 seconds left on here. And let me just zoom in a little more real quick. All right, so as of this moment, we did make a higher high, or actually stay above this trend line right here, which that's a very bullish thing. So hopefully we'll have a bounce and continue to the upside. But back over here to our RSI. All right, our RSI currently is sitting around the 52 area. Stochastic is pointing a little downward. We do have a little bit of a hook right here. So hopefully we could come back down here, retest our trend line, and hopefully get a bounce. If not, we could come back all the way back down here and go in this area, this channel right here somewhere. And hopefully we would maintain a higher high and then bounce. But that's two different scenarios that could happen. All right, and also we do have enough room on our RSI to go much higher before we do get a cool off or another 15-minute correction. All right, over here on our hourly chart, our RSI currently is sitting around the 39. Our stochastic is getting a little high right now. We're entering the overbought territory right here. We're currently around the 87 territory. So again, the other scenario, again, we do have a lot of room to run with on our RSI. So we could continue the upside. But of course, if we do come up here and start correcting, then of course, we could look for a retest down here within our channel, or even a retest on the bottom of this pattern and hopefully get a double bottom and then get a bounce. That's the other scenario as well. All right, over here on our 4-hourly. All right, our RSI is right around the 35 area. Our stochastic has come all the way down. As you see right here, we are correcting, or already corrected, we are heading to the upside. So for the 4-hourly time frame, we are looking very bullish. Again, same as this pattern over here, we were short-term bearish throughout the day and long-term bullish. So I do believe hopefully we can maintain higher highs through here and then eventually get a breakout through our descending triangle pattern right here, that trend line. And then over here on our daily chart, our RSI is coming down a little bit more. We're around the 51. Stochastic is still trending sideways. Hopefully in the next couple of days, we will, of course, get a bounce to the upside. And that would show us that we are in the next bull run that we'll get. All right, let's go over to our 5-minute chart. All right, so currently we are coming back down. We could actually be forming a pattern right here. This could either, let me get the trend line tool. This could be, all right, let me connect that there. This could be a pennant pattern right here, or we could long-term actually form a descending triangle right here, in which case we'd have to see whether we break bullish or break bearish. But right now it looks like we are getting ready to break this trend line right here. We'll have to see how that plays out. So short term, we could come back down here, retest this trend line. Of course, if we do break through here, we'd be looking for somewhere in this area to hopefully maintain a higher high, maybe bounce off of one of these trend lines right here. If not, we could be looking for another retest down here around this line, or even the bottom of our pattern right here. So hopefully come down, maybe get a bounce, another double bottom, possibly right here, and then head up to the upside. We'll see how that does play out. All right, so again, I do believe I'm a little bit short-term bearish right now. Of course, we'll see. Hopefully, what we want to look out for again is that we do make a higher high, or that we come back here and get a bounce. Either maintain this level or make them a higher high and then bounce. We want to make sure we do that to stay in the bullish area. But again, I'm short-term bearish, long-term bullish. So next hour or two, we could see a correction, but then overall, I think in the next couple hours to the next couple of days, we will see our big breakout that we've been looking for. Again, I could be wrong, but I do believe we'll be heading for a big breakout very shortly. But again, if I see any pattern changes tonight, I will try to update everybody on Twitter. And again, you can follow me over at Twitter at @OnlyCryptoCycle, and again at OnlyCryptoCycle. And yet again, I appreciate each and every one of you guys taking the time of your day to watch these videos. It means a lot to me. And hopefully we continue to have good analysis and kind of ease everybody's mind of where we could be heading. And as always, thanks again for watching these videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and have a good evening and take care. Thanks.